Alright, y'all, so 2018 Impala. Looking for videos, try to take off the alternator when there's no videos. I already have everything off. I had to take all that off, you guys already know. Had to remove the cooling fans to get this part off here. If y'all don't know, the tensioner's right there. You just use the socket wrench itself to get that out, the ratchet. So this bolt here is gonna have to be inside the alternator before you take it off. If you don't have the tool to go on that end, you could just use a 1/4 inch socket to take that off. There, grab that. So when you go to put this back in, this has to be inside, because if not, you're not going to be able to get it out. The fucking bastard wants to go back in.